battling with different names. I was walking up to my apartment, and these two were in there jamming out on mixers, and all I hear is because they had their headphones on. I was like, man, that sounds like Morse code. Something else with Morse code that's really great is it's not just like a musical thing, it's also a visual thing. When you see 4 DJs up there, you know, getting down, people are like, man, what is he doing? Well, what's he doing? We're hoping to educate people so in the future when other turntable bands come around, it's like, it's not so foreign to people.
Yeah. Trying to create a path, you know what I'm saying? I guess like exactly what Leroy was saying is to create like our own, you know, little niche within hip hop of turntable music and turntable bands, you know, and create that path for other people to explore that avenue as well.
So when these cats grow up, they'll be rocking on some tables too.
Yeah. Hip-hop has and always been like, you know, the new voice, a revolutionary voice. It's got a lot of power because a lot can be said in a very short amount of time, especially by an MC. DJs are literally manipulating music to create new music, which I feel is more of a Taoist type of a sense because we're actually manipulating things within the now by the feelings that we receive within the now to change the now, you know what I'm saying? So everything is like within the grasp of a DJ and stuff like that. So I feel like, you know, we're at the juncture. We could allow the music industry to split us up, or, you know what I'm saying, we can hold our culture, you know, close to our hearts and continue on, cause a revolution. You know?
Seriously, man, my culture's not for sale.
Yeah, my culture ain't for sale.
My culture's not for sale.
Word up.
My tape is though.
And so is mine. You can pick it up, $10.
Unconditional, wanna see the rhythm, we'll get you with the subliminal stuff. We got the pop and blow it all the way, one of the innocent side of the day. We love to complain with all of y'all, like we was on the playground. When we was through you feeling me, that's why they call me the Ruski. Cause I represent understanding, always be commanding, straight up demanding justice. Cause I rock us if I don't get it, wanna work with it, let the hear me spit it. Off the mouth come from the land of the Southwest, one of the best in the history wanna contest. I drop the consciousness, not my silence, yeah, on the black. Some people think we so back when we isn't. They you know they smoke all like a ism, but me, I be the S-O-B-E-R. So Charlie from before, we got the Jimmy and the cat, they call the Dusty, Similani and me, I be the Petroni, oh, it's a Polly Wally, who keep me dreamy, kid that be sitting down, let us with the way, pull out the negative, put in some positive, from a this consciousness, we always wobbling this war.
For all the MCs out there, realize your responsibility and the responsibility to the power you hold, being on the microphone, yelling, projecting your thoughts to people.
We're a turntable band. There's a lot of turntable lists out there and stuff like that, and they put teams together, you know what I'm saying? But this is a band. You know, we've got a drummer, we've got a lead, we got a rhythm, we got a bass, you know what I'm saying? Vocal percussion, you know, I do various drum machine live playing and stuff like that with an MPC 2000 or an SP 1200, whichever is there that day. But you know, I mean, really what we see with hip hop, hopefully what we would like to see with hip hop is to see another renaissance, you know what I'm saying? You know, more positive thought like when we were growing up and stuff like that, I think, but taking it to a whole different level. That's exactly how hip hop always has to go. It always has to proceed, you know? If it's G music, then the next album's gonna be more crazy than the last album. And if it's, you know, positive, conscious music, then the next time that wave of renaissance occurs, it's just gonna be even more thought-provoking and enlightening than the last time. And that's what we hope, you know, and I guess that's a team that at least I'm rolling with.
So we kick it just like that, and we had to wake it. It's like with the rhythm from sick when they gave it to him. Then we had to heal him with a little bit of the explanation and go to still purifying the blood. Just like that with the strength of a shell, we hit home. Keep the ghetto tones, give me the minute. Now I think that they are known, so I be one of the kids that they call the Brewski. One of the kids that be in the Morse CODE. That's why we got the Jim E, Simple E, Cass and the JY. Then we say hi to the homeboy Quickster. We give the straight spiritual elixir.